Christmas is just around the corner, and if you're like me, you want to make sure your home is a beautiful backdrop for lots of fun family moments. In this video, I'm going to share with you 9 simple tips for decorating your home quickly and easily without spending a lot of money. Hi there, Jessica here, and today I'm going to be sharing with you some simple tips that will help you make your Christmas decorating a breeze. Whether you're on a tight budget or just don't have a lot of time, these tips will help you beautifully decorate your home in a meaningful way for you and your loved ones to enjoy the season. If there's one thing I want you to get from me this Christmas, it's all about family and making time and spaces to enjoy your family and make memories together. So, for example, in my home, I have a table set up so that we could do a puzzle together. I also set up a cute little baking station. You can do a hot cocoa station. And then I also have in my mudroom, I hung up some warm plaid blankets and lanterns so that we can all go out by the fire pit and enjoy making some s'mores together. Tip number 2 is to use trays to hold your decor. This way, you can easily move it out of the way if, for instance, you need to wrap a present or play a game. These ties are perfect for holding garland onto your steel railing. They are pretty and they keep your garland secure. They have a wire inside, so once you twist it up, it will hold securely. Also, I'll have them linked in the description. If you have a color scheme for your Christmas decorating, then you can still use your meaningful family heirloom ornaments. Just pick the ones that are in that color scheme. So for instance, if you're using red on your Christmas tree, then pick out all of the family heirloom and treasured collected ornaments in that color red. The result will be a designer look that is also personal and meaningful and connects you to the ones you love. Since we're talking color schemes, this is a super easy tip. All you have to do is get wrapping paper that matches your Christmas tree decorations. If you have ribbon, you can do this. Hang ribbon on the back of a door and tape it at the bottom. Then, with little clothespins, attach all the Christmas cards that you receive. Upgrade your ornaments by replacing the gold wiry string that comes on them with a beautiful piece of velvet ribbon. Make Christmassy candles by adding a ribbon or dropping a tea light into a beautiful Christmas dish that you already have. I hope you've enjoyed these tips. I hope that they make your Christmas merrier, and I wish you a very Merry Christmas. If you haven't already seen my Christmas home tour from this year or last year, they're both linked in my channel. So be sure to go watch that, and don't forget to hit like and subscribe if you enjoyed this. Merry Christmas!